everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a beautiful heart project. Simple, colorful, and perfect for using up fabric scraps. First, iron your fabric scraps onto the glue side of the iron-on adhesive paper. Working little by little. Be careful not to let your iron touch the glue paper directly. Honestly, I find this step even more fun than it looks in the video. Look at that! We're creating a brand new piece of colorful fabric. Once everything is in place, turn it over and give it a good press. Then trim away any fabric that hasn't bonded. Next, trace the heart template onto your fabric and cut the hearts out. Peel off the backing paper. Then place the banner string between the heart and the felt. Normally, I position the string near the top of the heart so it hangs nicely. Now iron the hearts onto the felt, one heart at a time, until you reach the banner length you want. Trim away any excess felt. You can use pinking or wave scissors if you'd like a cute decorative edge. And here we have it, our super easy, adorable heart banner. You can free motion sew around the hearts if you like. I'm happy with it just as it is, so I'll leave mine unstitched. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this sweet heart banner with me.